wow, is this stuff ever incredible. It really, really tastes good. You can eat this with anything. Today we're going to go ahead and we are going to make a zucchini steak. It's going to be deep fried. It's going to have a great crispy outside to it. It's going to be really, really good. You're going to love it. Stay tuned. Watch this. What I have here ready to go, and then we're just going to build this together. I'm going to show you how to do this. I want you to be a part of it. Get the ingredients ready. If you have to, go through the video, see what we need, get your stuff together, and let's go through it and let's cook this together. This is really, really good. I'm going to get a pan ready with some olive oil in it. Not too much, but just a little bit of olive oil in there. If you can see that. Let's see, you got that? All right. And then we'll go ahead and get this thing going. We're going to get that to start warming up here. Now, what we're going to need is some eggs. We're going to grab 2 eggs. You need a zucchini. I have 1 zucchini here with 2 extra pieces because we made this yesterday. And then take them and then cut the zucchini in a little bit thicker pieces, as you can see here. Okay. And of course, you have your ends. Don't throw them away. They're good, good, good. So we're going to go ahead and take these pieces and we're going to mix up the batter here. So let's get the batter rolling. We are going to take 2 eggs. Let's put this off to the side here so this camera can get in here as well. We're going to take 2 eggs, crack these up, have them ready to go. We're going to go ahead and put some parsley in here. I'm going to put some smoked paprika. Guys, this is not going to have measurements. This is seasoned to your own flavoring. We got basil. A little bit of smoked garlic. You can add whatever you want. You don't have to put this. Oh, I'm sorry. This isn't the garlic. This is the meat seasoning. This here is a good smoke. It's a sweet and spicy meat seasoning that you want to put in. Any kind of meat seasoning you want, just put it in. And then this here is the smoked garlic. Okay. And then a little bit of, let me see where it's at, parsley. Next, we're going to take a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, and we're going to put that in there. Then we're going to get some shredded cheese, another 1/4 cup of that, and put that in. Okay? Any other kind of shredded cheese. You can just use straight up Parmesan. So now we're going to go ahead, grab our whisk. We're going to whip this around. You do want this to stay a little bit thick. You're going to see here in a second it is going to be a little bit thick. But if it turns out to be a little bit too thick, you can put a little bit of heavy cream. Very little. But you can see what that looks like. Okay, that looks really, really good. So that's what we want right there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to have another plate ready, and we're going to go ahead and mix up our keto flour. What I normally do is I will have Victoria's keto flour already made up. I don't have any made up right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and use other kind of flour here. This right here was made up from yesterday, a little bit that we had left over, so I'm just going to reuse that. We're going to use pork rinds. I don't know if you guys can see this here, but we're going to use these. These are already Italian seasoned flavored, so we're going to put them in place of breadcrumbs. Original recipe would call for breadcrumbs, but we need to make this keto style. We're going to put a little bit of almond flour in here. Not a whole lot. Okay. The next thing we're going to add in is some bamboo fiber. Just about a tablespoon of that, roughly. And then we're also going to be adding a little bit of oat fiber as well. about a spoonful of that. And then we're going to go ahead and just mix this all up. So let me mix this up and I'll be right back. Now that we have that mixed up, what I'm going to do is get a little bit of olive oil and just put a little bit of olive oil over top of the zucchini and then just rub it down. This will give it something for the flour to adhere to. So that will work out pretty good. I found that the olive oil actually works very well with this. So just get a little bit on and then take it and just come in here. We're going to go ahead and cover this up. Just like that. Put the olive oil off to the side. And let's get this in here. And we're just going to come in here and cover these up with this. Spread it on there. Now that I have this all ready to go over here on the stove, so now we're going to go ahead and take this and just drop it down into the skillet. Okay? And let's go ahead and do the next one. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and let that cook a while. I'm going to say probably around 5 minutes on each side. You're going to love this. Just stay tuned. Watch this. All right, so here we go. And wow, is this stuff ever incredible. It really, really tastes good. You can eat this with anything, you know, that you would like on the side. Treat it like a real steak or like a real deep fried chicken steak or chicken dinner. Some vegetables off on the side and you know, some cauliflower rice, cauliflower mashed potatoes or something like that. Let's give it a quick taste. But it is good. Hot. Very hot. Something I like to do. A little bit more smoked paprika on top. All right, guys. Zucchini deep fried steaks. You're going to love them. Give them a try. In the comments down below, please tell me what you think of this. God bless for now. Remember, Jesus loves you. Like, subscribe, and share, and bye for now.